Hello everyone! I'm sharing a massage technique that you can do every day, morning and evening. I hope you enjoy it, so if you're ready, let's get started.
I am a loved and happy woman. I am a confident woman. I am a beautiful woman. I will succeed. I know it for sure.
Warm up your favorite cream or oil in your hands and apply it to your face. This will ensure a smooth glide, allow you to work the muscles deeply, and prevent your skin from pulling.
I believe in myself. I deserve happiness. I choose peace. I love and accept myself. I have the power to change everything. Today is my day. I allow myself to be myself. I'm grateful for everything I have. My possibilities are limitless. I am safe and in harmony. I am beautiful. I am happy. I am light. I make the best choice every day and get the best result from it. I am the creator of my body and my life. My body is a beautiful divine creation. I hear the advice of my soul, body and mind, and always follow them. I look at my past, present and future with love. I am beautiful. I am happy. I am light. I am light. I have an ideal weight. My beautiful and slim figure is myself. I constantly maintain vigor, freshness, energy. My body has an excellent metabolism. All systems of my body work perfectly. The freshness of youth shines on my face. My body easily and quickly copes with any difficulties and problems of excess weight. I always make decisions that create my youth, health, and love. I feel my divinely beautiful body and figure. I am beautiful, I am happy, I am light, I am light. I have an ideal weight. My beautiful and slim figure is easily and joyfully reborn. I love, accept, and respect myself. I always take care of myself. My whole skin restores its integral, pristine health and beauty every day. My whole body becomes younger, more elastic and more beautiful every day. I hear the quiet yes, and I follow it. I am beautiful, I am happy, I am light, I am light. I have an ideal weight. My beautiful and slim figure is easily and joyfully reborn. I love, accept, and respect myself. I always take care of myself. Leave too much away till your hands came back empty. You wore everybody else like a crown that hurt too deeply. You kept the door unlocked for every one-way favor. Now look at you still standing, still your own lifesaver. So take the mirror back, look straight into it, say it like a fact. Baby, you can do this. Always choose yourself, love yourself. You are the best. Always choose yourself, love yourself. You are the best. Always choose yourself, love yourself. You are the best. Baby, choose yourself, love yourself. You are the best. If they call and you don't go, let the phone keep ringing. If the room feels wrong, walk out while your heart is singing. You don't need permission to take up all your space. You're not hard to hold, you're just worth the wait. So take the mirror back, look straight into it, say it like a fact. Baby, you can do this. Always choose yourself, love yourself. You are the best. Always choose yourself, love yourself.
During this tongue exercise, you might feel some discomfort or a slight ache in the back of your head. Don't worry, this is completely normal. The fact is, the muscles of the tongue are anatomically very closely connected to the muscles of your neck and the back of your head. This pain means that we are finally releasing deep tension and spasms. As a result, you will get not only a relaxed neck, but also a perfectly lifted facial contour with no double chin.
Just tired of the same. Love yourself. You are the best. Always choose yourself. Love yourself.